Ebusensi a obo edura NPP osunu kokuruku amayuku no akachia eho eja edeho butu isanze enchakura na omo abato omo kwa akoto November 4th no ebre ewie edru ana ebre no aso eno nti aspirant no bia eni abre obia aye she na me no ekase this is the first time vice president yere in Ghana, the Republic of Ghana, air campaigning for flag bearership race. This is the first of its kind. A BAC. Now, yera Samira Bawumia is form a campaign at the Mat Nikunu yera Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I mean, Kyle say, Nana Bema TV, and be for short. Subscribe to YouTube channel, like it. Now, for sign share my video, baby, to phone me also on Sabbath to me. I can't only the echo so. Level on my name or commenting on Sunyana and who in Chuguasi, a making kind at the amount. Ebusia Samira Bawumia or ye vice president, you're Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, a running campaign giddy at the money kuno dresse, or one to abano emfa money kununa, a bimu edidi ame, a bimu abedibi, na aden or mon pese, or more be Ghana ye no ebeba any idea the end and some do a kebi. I know and I'm so Kwame Adinkra, you're a Kwame Adinkra, and so den sembi two from Edeman say. Sabi why oba na mom bam binya ne jetano anase bono zan se de oni ana de ne kunu ni NPP na do dan kwakufu ado o maban na o maye no o maye o Ghana no ya de a asefem enti mom ma na o mam menyane youth ni mebunu no o moya o no mom bam be kai kura na so ye campaign won hwom enrane campaign na mom bam be kan sem bia ensa emfata anase de enya ne kura emfa enada o man no so monto emfa emane kunu ebuso wei enam so ema Kwame Adinkra eka ensem bebre na dan kwakufu ado e de ensem nso aba betudu a kire se Christian Council for no sra wanada omo mpaye na omo nyi ana yankopon enyi enisuade hunu bi emfa enkire omo na omo hunu na omo ma oman nti asese enye politician bia ena wo ye kromfo kamia yeso oman fo no enim se de o wa ben wana se de oye politics bia no oye kromfo eno nti na do dan kwakufu ado kire se Christian Council for empire na yami enyi enkire omo na omo hunu se enye aban mu nipa anase politician bia ena woye kromfo ebusuya quick yenkonkohwe video no emfa emra sisia yaba to so edi amawo
enra me hu video bi efa vice president yire Samira
second lady
second lady also no need delegates for
I think in me quite
yeah I keep saying sir the vice president is never short of campaign message.
Never.
The vice president, if you want to, what do you call it? Talk about the vice president. You can never be short of achievements and stadium. So you don't waste your time. Talk about other things. Okay. Now, now you are commanding me, sir. Because I have things to share. Better things to share. So I don't need to do other things that be
update.
Okay. You are the vice second lady. I mean, this is even history. This is the first time Mati say vice president I see from a campaign.
We have a grassroots campaign.
You understand?
Demonstration.
This is the first. We didn't see that the Teresa Kufo.
No.
We didn't see that. Friends saying
Nadu Mills
and all that.
Never.
But this maybe perhaps this is the first time that we've seen a second lady go down. Yes, be
on her own. It's
on
not
her
like husband.
And yes, be for the president.
There be
flag bearership.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I was thinking, and then say, the communication around should be, Papa no de me, sabi o wani na wo. Me na nim tema owo. Me na nim kwaya. Ofa so edwen Ghana ho. And then this is the kind of message. Na so ko na so ko ka say. Ebinim pese ye ko opposition. And ebinim wa me amo who started to program that? Some people.
You go with this already. Woman, be here. I'm going to say, my woman, be here. I'm going to say,
some people are grown up. Make I say, you if you're not them. If you're not them. And na ye didn't come and I could to answer. I can't say me. Okay, no, now he was trying to tease me and all that. And I Yanmako catch and say, hey, I go to and talk Papa, one we are some of a catch response on the bomb, and yet I go down. I know Gusa. I saw him catch or the man can have a tease. And Yanmako said, I go to make catch. Some people growing. Samira, some people growing.
Many must be secret. What if I had just about 18 days?
Who did Samira go hiding?
So, Mommy, what am I missing? But in this race, your husband is the youngest, but he's the heaviest. Also the more the grass.
Many some people grown up. Obia on the strong though. Because there was some time in Champions League, na Barcelona, and Chelsea ever ball match. Na Jose Mourinho, and na Chelsea coach. Now he would say, so only Barcelona, ball part to part, and this are good football as well. I'm not sure about 10. And he no say, park no cry about Chelsea for park no at Stamford Bridge no. Or shall I do so? And what also Basa said Roban that I take him on football. I see Canadian Basa Sabaya. Oh, pass one can answer. And I am on board draw. The strategy, no? Yes, I am okay. Oh, yeah. And yet, people go, Maun you be any sacred cry. Without response, what did by the close of today? Oh, Tabby. Memo, no, idea me fast, Yana me pesamo. I only two. Yeah. Amonso Yana Omudi a campaign. Yeah. Apart from say apparatchiks, no. Leaders sometimes they trip. Leaders sometimes they do things abia na nka wanka they said the president did sanka wanka na sa abia na keye ba oka na santi ama ne bi but some of them are also quick to highlight honor na omo trendi eno ono wa rapado hey wait you be trendi no wa kabia no na omo onu say all that be die MPP for try who t-shirt. Oh, I was sick. Huh? Your university. Now, me share a test conference. She was a lady. No, so invited me because one of them was coming. No, be hosting auditorium to me, man. And I was the president. That t-shirt we are shall back program there. Well, we are programming ever say you. Well, I don't want to say where she's from, but Nani Trini Kayakra. Said Dan, what you call me Dalati? What you say, you know, my papa and Canasa, mammy, will be no above on Tiasi. Oh, bien, himself and Canasa. Don't, but why would you want to protect a dear air controversy? Maybe I can die show down my money away. No, and two, Nano can cook some people are looting by hard, and then they're stuffing money and as well. You don't say, no any team for them. And a child. And I started spreading. Say, we hit a blow, a good, a campaign message. The people who are following our leaders, sometimes they ask themselves, we are Sankwas one. I say, they're all interested in controversy and say, who? It will go bad now. I'm better about the president now. I got now. I'm kind of a president. You know? So you could say, Nipana, Aunanka, communication. From Kakra. I'm glad they were from grass. How do you win it? And you? When we have a communication slip and a communication gaba, you're not hammer because you and you're spontaneous. And you're there, put to Bruce, chin baby. You decide to yeah. You ask yourself, say, what is the message? And I'm going to call. How many minutes? Could you? What is happening to the people? It will touch their hearts. And a plan. Where are you Q&A? Not to be a baby, some question. No one going to come within the care when I will see from our contrast anymore. As to how San Commander Moody with the free time we see from Manchester, but some idea Kwame see a Quanabama. I said before Tadi who for saying this before. Oh, because Mahama can't boot for boot. Me on boot for boot for t-shirt.
And no man also must sleeping baby. Baby before sleeping, yeah, who's I sleeping?
And your mother the quarto.
Eh, that's when you be there, man.
Debbie.
Oh, that be there. People
for the social media.
That's what you back on.
Yeah, exactly so. How?
And yet,
and people grow ha. Maybe.
That's a very baby brag room. Oh, me Bobo.
Nani Baranda from. Also, no baby brag.
Dear Bray.
Oh,
the preku. I would even brag off. Okay.
Now we reply back. We say, hey.
Share. Oh, my man. Now, Samira, you know where to do it.
All right. Anyway. Makes it say, yeah, Nana Addo is actually the president of the Republic. Eka said, Asofufono, Embo Mpaye, Emma Ghana, na zizi corruption, Ejizebwana.
Oh, the normal Pany Paso Chinese said,
Amafu who says,
Sa realization way. Those cases.
Or they never comment man. Or patches that. As some many see, even people visualize so that we can do the analysis proper. As some many see,
the new Christian Council or more head I electing and as my appointing on there. Enra Nonya Adaji and as a Kwame Mubima Okushia president. And on the president, Kasa Yemna president, the two say as part of the Christian faith, one of the things I was saying, my say one pie. Now perception say every politician and as everybody in the public service a thief free honor. Let me quote the president. We ought to pray for the understanding in Ghana that not everybody who is elected in this office is a thief. It's an assumption in our country that people who come to political office enrich themselves. Some of us would have been better off in the private sector. It is an assumption that we ought to work hard and try and dispel.
Okay.
Or I had to say that, and part of the spelling it will be encouraging the belief in this institution of our state. These institutions that have been set up, whether it is the police or anti-corruption agencies, are working in the interest of Ghana and not of the government of the day. And we should all find a way of bolstering the confidence of the people in them. We have to pray that becomes understood.
Yes. And the President Eka Jasofon.
Yeah.
Now Jasofon only a property.
And not any perception.
And people or appealing to them. Amo Grofwa. Because Omo and there be no mutasol them. So Kobajuma is so Kobayano.
Yes,
so we in here can do a what I say.
Exactly.
And every Sunday be a nipa do
sorry. Could see nipa back one masem.
And now I go say cause our mom war
and Thursday.
On night prayer camp that's all. And something and I know a duo.
Some man to pop it now. Very, very well.
Oh, and near back.
Yes.
And true. I am glad that the president has observed, say, yeah, no be and a hair crop for.
Yeah, our politics.
Okay. I'm not going to crop for no. Uncle Jay.
So no kahun.
I'm not going to crop for no. Uncle Jay.
No kahun. As soon as they want for kahun.
Oh, maybe some in a crop for. Ebia, Dr. Bawumia on your crop for.
Yeah. President Mahama.
President Mahama on your crop for. Oh, man.
Without evidence, perception without evidence. Now say a GBA conference, or could now condemn former president Mahama say Airbus scandal or a government official. These are all you fed into perception.
Say old him now. So also anybody now. Simple.
Now another member say, I don't know why this realization or this admittance almost always seem to come when they are just about some few days to go home.
Oh, they become saints.
Yeah, because President Kufuor
they become saints.
Yes, corruption is from Adam. You know, it's endemic in our society. We are groomed with it.
But it's a part of human nature.
It's true. Kwame, so they may admit to say, me, a single individual, make a humbi. And Ghana by Igu Capital Radio. It was politically motivated. Everybody knows that. Because back in the day, in 2016, now some of us on radio, as many can say, and then mana ya no mu gina so MPP fo gina so e dey discredit say NDC fo enya de ntemo mu kofie no o mo ba enwe bia no ma be yoto nti Kufuor ado tin time na station enya ne dedda enya ngongwa so ba ya 1 week na obegugu sa stations no and that obi ka so obuoni ji sia no NDC for start some jamfi FCD nketia mo namo a o de bia no man obia ye corrupt obia ye pam no o mabo di mebre o every institution be o memu including the president and his vice o me corrupt mo ko fie the governor of Bank of Ghana and the deputies o me corrupt mo ko fie the governor Dame e corrupt o ko fie EC ni deputies o mo ko fie finance minister corrupt o ko fie obia ye corrupt o ko fie o mo Ombeba abidi adie as Ghana abayo kanse party o wabemu ensem na omukeka fa omo opposition for no enwa bia na yeni atimem for beboa opposition at that time as akeke go omo mababemu so this is not going to change. I like the fact that the president is talking to these may I call them patricians because so here politics and also puppets omo nyina omo so no omo tricks omo ye omo but omo was some self-righteous disposition be say as omo de ne de eye nyamimu a
wako omelection da
dabi
omoye elections
secretary nyina wom campaign gumbe nyina wom the problem with somebody like Bishop Ajinasare no he's a fine gentleman no doubt I like his teachings near daddy but was that self-conceit disposition be say on just say obiba politics man chen wo yi na ne ka kakraka ne dan kakraka but wo so asore na wate na here for neighbor no oh cheers for the now this kenny what I say and they sika e say was sorry man nyina say yen na ye ko baby a plane ba ko na be front o be ko first class you can say business class na yen yet economy ho same plane ompa ye be ma king size ye king size e chikura Michael Jackson yen dey I think say park size because it's a whole football field of a bed and no be na beto amount na yen say sure matters kwa na munya man ya condom kura ye beda sa treatment na omai edos ma omo a omo so omai no eno a bia na wo nyamimu na mesomu omo so nkrofo no omo so yehafo no edos mo wo dan so che obia wo ka so che obia ko tu papa che obia ne board che obia ana Duncan Williams be me na o se ni spray bi what about na David Duncan Williams the spray bi very expensive my people are you listening to me o cotton US and one time bi ne man ba ko e pie no. Now he wanted to say, I think they know preach about family and fatherhood and blah blah blah. Say in that heat of the moment, the natural disposition would have been as an African parent to discipline my child, but he's my child. Why? Because the spray, according to him, very expensive and very rare. So Uncle US crank when that particular body spray ni bianto. Uja saw them okawi. Eso ye action chapel for Bantima, Kwame Anope, the one kwakota beti di kran e ho de. Ada na mo de ba mo hoye. Na ne mu no so obi wa ban mu na ma be di DC no. Etinka yemfa basically e ma me na me fan ko office de bia because me so mo mai. Na wo ka kakraka no, o de kwa he. Perez dome, o di free fie e ba Perez dome kansa so dem mo. How many miles? I bet ma woko. Na ka watch share nipa woko anso. Enso bodyguards ni akra di animu. Omo sa o motorcade. Ordinary pastor. Omanti property and o mine say and then o mine here say yan ko da bere say no mine tie wo obedi pastor ni a obedi o mine mu Kwame hwe na say ya wo mo ade o mine no President Kufuor do ni so ade hunu ase wo ya say ID wo ho but me ha me pa they are so for me no na last one ashime crashing first ones na ba nyina san ko for me no Judas ni petrol no man say from and then Duncan Williams ni can say anaba why would you want to betray God and your country like this?
What was the reason given?
Kwame. Oh, they have no reason. The only reason, no, the board has come to counter, and I side with the board.
What was the reason earlier?
Omo di say yes, all the TB. Omo koka say meet ya say nkofo de na eba bonten chesi this guy. Etin kamo me head down high independent auditors. No more auditing and publish it. Then nkofo no so. Ade am kan you go so. I engage Deloitte and the omo ba auditing.
Omo petition president say.
Why petition?
Womu me nu.
Ghana ba ne Duncan Williams. Omo petition president say omo nye independent auditing to public funds na ya donate say en construct national cathedral project no. Bisine omo nya response free president say audit no omo ebe shase and as omo shase. Nti as a principle it's a matter of faith and good conscience. Omo di omo uchi omo ho free. And omo bon pa cathedral project no beto aso. But the audit
one I appoint you.
the president and more the position as board of trustees.
Okay.
Yes.
And the board of trustees no on mandate no say any grievances do you go back to the president or who share a board or
so we are part of the board until we let our board need the bar me bisa say me a board member there's an issue do I have to go to the president to go and complain? And I said there's mechanism. I will say with me. I discuss it at the board level.
There is a mechanism.
Okay, I'm going to discuss it at our board level.
Okay, let's now board president, no, and as a chairman of the board,
you don't need
Doctor Opoku the Babonte and Ran, Opoku Menza the Babonte and Ran. Or Chimu say, as at the time, board Nishia no mu take a decision to audit. Sir, funds na about National Cathedral projects no. Revenue studio and about any Duncan Williams. A Zoom meeting no have it. They were not part of it. But subsequently, the audit
if they were not part of it, meeting BI or minister.
Good. So that's where I'm coming to. Omo appointed Deloitte omo audited the funds na about hormone. Subsequently, every discussion be omo bia omo copies of the minutes of the discussion, which they are privy to. And to say number bontin because as it's trying to create the impression say it's not being audited a false narrative and a create. Next say so for nature and true. Two, as currently as
now say we know
na kwa be nyankare asem we kwase kan odu also wo kan wa no correct me from so for the kujan process
as it stands Deloitte is still auditing the funds na about hormone just that omunye in the oba bontin because the funds are not being audited that's a part
so you mean that an impression is being created say omunye
me wari omuso ye
petition
which they are in the known
yes according to letter now I know what about they are in the known say Deloitte for is ongoing with the auditing you can raise the issue say process maybe but to
now may honor me who say if you have issue to raise that do you have to go back to the president?
They didn't even go to the president. They wrote to social media first before even the board received this letter.
The board indicated that sir omo resignation letter there omo on social media and in the media and son omo sa eka and two at a meeting His Eminence Duncan Williams ne letterhead and sign also so allow me His Eminence Duncan Williams indicated say now the National Cathedral about a political tour opposition for no age na so a meeting their campaign to win the 2024 elections in tinke ka ono kwa dia and ka omo suspend the project no now after the 2024 elections no omo regime and yes omo as eminent men of God no one should ya near the mudin ya support omo abonten. This is part of the response the secretariat na edema Isudana Bane His Eminence Duncan Williams omo say ebi a omo selfish interest be no mo they are resigning from the board but to come out to indicate say sao petition and as claim say the audit fans now audit the Kwame as of one penny for the control
papa and so we want ka ho and omo create this unnecessary disaffection for people in politics. Unnecessary disaffection for people in politics. Mo musika e fa mo nsam mo account ma hoy
beka se enye no asam no na eda ho no Yewura Kwame Adinkra na oka nsam no what say Yewura Samira Bawumia this is the first of its kind vice president yere flag bearership race we see from na or run campaign eno ekire enibra nani abre prese ni kunu emra embetu franka emfama NPP oso no kokoroku amanyoku nanso no eno nso entire se obegyina simpi eni apaso a sabi wonkeka de eyene de anase wonkeka de enya ne kure anampo no wonkeka de ebema Ghana mebunu no ene Ghana maamefo ne papafo inada mekire Ghana maamunu inada ebefu na nekunu elusi kura na campaign bi wo ho a wo kire se oya na lusa na wope edema wukunu no omo no oya na omo ennim eno nte Kwame Adinkra kire se wonhwe na hunu said obesi around the campaign na ebima bedibi no ono nso ne kunu ono nso edibi ene ade a ebusia video ekohwe mpacho nso de nso ewo eka efa ho no subscribe to YouTube channel like rafi san share ma we are comment section no na nso watch tintintin ede egu ho ede amame midin ede oduman komo bana na kofi abekọ sameto me but from a konsa hene na kofi macro